Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on your laptop or PC running Windows 11. This is super helpful for organizing your files, photos, or documents. Let's get started. First, go to the location where you want to create the new folder. This could be your desktop, documents, downloads, or even inside another folder. Right-click on an empty area of the screen. From the menu, hover over New, and then click on Folder. You'll see a new folder appear with the name highlighted. Type the name you want for your folder and hit Enter to save it. Bonus tip, you can also use the keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus N while you're in a folder or on the desktop. And boom, a new folder is created instantly. Your new folder is ready to use. Just drag and drop files into it, or create subfolders to stay organized. And that's how you create a new folder on Windows 11. Quick and simple. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.